This weekend I had a customer bring over some handlebars. Said that the brand was HTTMT. If you look at these handlebars, it's going to let you know that you should pay for quality, not necessarily what is cheap and what you can afford. Save up some money and get what's quality so you don't have to go through a bunch of problems. As you can see, look at all these joints and how they aren't smooth. Something to think about when you get quality stuff. If it looks like this on the outside, imagine what the inside looks like. And those wheels look like they could potentially break. After looking at the wheels and going through, I don't know if you can see the sharpness on that wiring hole, but these pipes or these handlebars just seem like bad craftsmanship, man. It's one thing to put in the handlebars, and it's another thing to have something that goes fairly smooth, and then you can go about the business. But at the same time, these were the worst bars I've ever encountered. Everything seemed like it was sharp. Even the holes that were pre-designed for you to run the wiring through seems as though they were really sharp. And I just like to do anyway. Just pay for quality. Yeah, it's going to be expensive, but at the end of the day, you'll have some bars that you know won't eat up your wiring or your switches or even your throttle cable. Just get something that has a stand-up name behind it, and and you know that there will be minimal problems. Also, to look how jagged the wires are. These were brand new. We ordered these for 16 inches, and just look how jagged it was. And in certain places, when I had to pull them out of this one, that they had different wrinkles in it because I'm pretty sure something inside. And look at that frame. It just ate up the protective coating. Had to go right back over those with electric tape to cover them up. Or better yet, to cover my butt in case it were to shape the wiring. But I just want to let you know, man, after looking at reviews for these bars and seeing that when I took the wiring out, there's nothing better than getting the quality than just paying a cheap price for something. So I just wanted to say that and keep this in mind when you're getting some bars. Do not buy these.